right, so I've done my research, I've opened my million tabs, and now I've just gone and I have too many tabs open. So even for vertical tabs, they're just way too many. You can actually make tab groups in Edge. So if I grab one of these and I hover and I kind of put it in line with one of these other guys here, it has created a tab group that I can give a name to and I can give a color to. You can add tabs in there, you can ungroup them, you can move them all to a new window, and you can drag things over here. So I can put all my TechCrunch articles, so some news I'm gonna read later, put them all in my TechCrunch group. And then while I'm not working on it, I can tap the header of that group and it just collapsed that for me to give me that extra space. So I can pretty easily put all these Syscon tabs in here, which I opened up probably too many, but it's okay. And now I can collapse my Syscon group too. So you can stay a little more organized with this. Now let's say that these are things that I want to open all together often. Favorites are great if you have like one page, you go to the favorite and you want to do that. But if you have like 10 pages where you're like, whenever you do this one thing, let's say paying your quarterly payroll tax, and you have to go to the 9 state websites that you have to go to. You could put quarterly payroll tax, you could open them all up right here. And then you can add this tab group to a new collection. So collections show up right about here in Microsoft Edge. And you can also get to them from where did my collections just go here? I have mine pinned, which is what I wanted to do for you. Here we are. Should be able to, okay, so if we go to ... we go to our settings. Nope. Where did I literally just see that 1 second ago? Sorry about that. More tools. Sorry about that. More tools. Start settings. I have my collections. If you right click, you can say show in toolbar. Now they'll always be here. You only do have to do that once, which is why I don't immediately jump to it. So I have my quarterly payroll tax, let's say here, and then I'm done with it. So I'm just going to close all those group tabs and I got rid of all of them. Now it's next month and I want to open them all up again. So I go to my collections. I can even pin these collections so they show up on the right. I think it's a little bit easier to see that way. So I'm going to press this pin button right here, which in case you can't see it, zoomed in a little bit. So it's this one. So we'll hit our collections, we'll pin it, zoom back out here. I have my collections here. I can add to this. I can go back. I can right click on this and say open all of them. I can open all in a new window or I can open all in private. So I get back to my quarterly filings and I hit open all, and here's all my state websites all opened for me.